everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sulaiman Miriam Olamide. So today we're gonna be making coconut oil, like homemade undiluted coconut oil. As we all know, coconut oil is very essential for the skin and on the hair especially, and a lot of people have difficulty while shopping for coconut oil because there are tons of fake coconut oils out there. So why not make your own coconut oil yourself? You're pretty sure this is 100% unique and it's undiluted coconut oil, because I do advise people to make it themselves. This, they are rest assured that it's 100% original. The process of making coconut oil is very simple, easy and straightforward. So let's dive into today's video, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's really going to mean a whole lot to me. This is the only way I'll keep motivated, and the only way to keep me going. So let's get into the video straight away. I don't talk too much, action speaks. Let's go. Alright guys, today we're gonna be making coconut oil like you said. Actually, you will need 4 to 5 coconut to get a whole lot of coconut oil. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using just one coconut because I couldn't really get around me. I actually sent someone to the market to help me get coconuts, which she eventually got one. I told her to get me 3, but she said she only saw 1. Alright, so that's why we're using this one coconut. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to break your coconut. Yes, so that is it. Alright, now you need a knife to separate the coconut from the cover, or what do they call it? Yeah, just like that. It's simple. Just make sure you remove your coconut from the body, if that's the word. Alright, that's the coconut. It's time to rinse. Let's rinse our coconut, because we're going to be using it on our skin or hair, depending on what you're going to use. I'm using it to cook, so we need to make sure it's very, very clean. You just have to rinse, just like so. So for us to blend, we have to section it into smaller section to help our blender in order to blend quickly. So we're going to cut it small, just like that. Alright, that's our coconut. So we get our blender. So you make sure you mix, you blend with a warm water. Do not use a cold water to blend. Alright, you blend alongside with the warm water. Now let's get to the kitchen. Alright, this water is warm. It's not really blended properly. Still apply more water to it. Please, if you need coconut oil, I won't really advise you to use one, because alright, now it's smooth. It's time to shift her. That's the coconut. You need a shifter and a bowl, just like that. Shifter the coconut milk here, just like that. Actually, we still have enough milk from that shaft, so we still have to pour it back to the blender to get more juice out. Don't forget, blend with warm water. Do not blend with cold water. Okay, now squeeze out the juice from the coconut. Alright, we have to reblend because I'm pretty sure we still have enough milk on that shaft. So let's go. Don't forget, mix with warm water. Sorry, warm water. Do not blend with cold water. Alright, let's go blend. Alright, just like that. Alright, we'll repeat the same process. We'll have to shift that 8. Alright, that's the milk. But looking at it, we still have some shaft inside, so we have to shift it more. Yes, just like that. If you have a smaller hole of shifter, you can use it, but this is what I'm using though. Seriously, I have enough shafts in there, so let's pour that out and come back here. Look at that milk. Alright, all we need to do is keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Then we'll come back, but then we still need to put it in a bigger bowl, just like that. Yeah, so we'll keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, then we'll come back. Okay. Alright, after 24 hours, as you can see, the oil is up. So all we need is a pot. Please do not use a non-sticky pot. Do not use a non-sticky pot. Use something like this on the stainless pot. Do not mind my pot. This is the pot I use for basically anything that has to do with hair. I really don't like using my main pot in doing all of these things, so I have a separate pot for it. I advise to do the same because of hygiene. Alright, so like I said, it's just one coconut, so we won't get more oil. So as you can see, that's all we could get from just one coconut. So yes, your gas has to be on a low temperature, so you turn it occasionally till it turns brown, like brown. Then you're sure that your coconut oil is ready. So to get more oil, I advise to use up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 if possible. As you can see, my gas is on low, like low, yeah, low anyway. You get what I'm saying? So that's all we could get from one coconut oil. At least you're 100% sure it's unique, like 100% sure it's original, not fake. So that's all. It's really simple though. It can be used on the hair, on the skin, to cook, or anything that requires coconut oil. I hope by now you should be able to know how to make your coconut oil yourself. The process is easy. Process is easy. Yeah. Yeah, that's all we could get from just one coconut. And the mini water for you get after you remove the oil, you can still use it to cook your fried rice, jollof rice, coconut rice, anything that oil. This is what we could get from one coconut. So I advise to use up to 4 to 5 coconuts to get much. So now you can now start using your coconut oil on everything that requires coconut oil. You can use it on your hair, your weave, your natural hair. On the skin is very good. On the skin, it's really good. So you can now start using your coconut oil.